I live in the same building and you want to go to the supermarket, you go with your car, I go with my car, the pollution increases. But if suppose they can even use public transport.
Very good. That was the answer I was looking for. Very good. Third is luggage. Connect.
Bag,
Keep
Door.
disconnecting.
door, bottle,
AC.
phone.
We know how to debate properly, and you guys have taught me really nice things, and thank you for that.
That I could not speak in front of the people I don't know, but now I can, so thank you.
This workshop was amazing. Both the tutors were amazing. It was
Really good.
Y'all enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Yes.